Good morning, everybody. It's Tuesday, the 2nd of February, and these are the answers to the morning maths questions. Question number 1, 364, take away 130. So if we take away 100, we get 264. 264, come on, work, 264, there we go. But now we need to take away another 30, so therefore 60 take away 30 is 30, and there we get 234. And the second question, 864, which we take away 100, we get 764. But then don't forget we've got an extra 30 to take away, and we get, so therefore we get 60 take away 30 is 30. And of course, when you're taking away 30, that is a multiple of 10. There is a 0 in the ones column, so therefore the ones do not change. Okay, good. On to question number 2. Just use this to get myself a nice red writing pen. 465, we're multiplying by 10, so the 4 goes into the thousands column, so that's 4,000. The 6 goes into the hundreds, that's 650, and then we have a 0 placeholder. 466 is 4,660. Then we've got 723, so the answer is 7,230, and we finally have 574, so the answer is 5,740, 5740. So multiplying by 10 should take you about 1 second for each question. I would say 1 second, maybe a second and a half. Okay, dividing by 100, this might take you a lot longer, maybe 3 seconds for each question. So first of all, we divide, let's go move across here. So 1,000 divided by 100. Well, when you divide by 100, everything moves 2 places across. So the 1 is in the thousands column at the moment, so it's got to go across 1, 2, so that's now in the tens column. So therefore there's a 1 in the tens column and a 0 in the units column, in the ones column, and that's it. Job done. 3,400, so the 3 goes into the tens column, the 4 goes into the ones column, and once again that's all we need to do. And finally the 6 goes into the tens column, the 5 goes into the ones column, and that's it. 65, so the answer is for that question is 65. Okay, this question is £16.45. Take away 543 pence. Now 543 pence, as you can see, is £5 and 43p. So, oops, we've got a take away sign there. So 5 take away 3 is of course just 2. 4 take away 4 is 0. This looks like it's going to be fairly easy. 0. Decimal point there to separate the pounds from the pence. 6 take away 5 is just 1. And then 1 take away 0 is 1. So the answer is £11 and 2p. That was a little bit easy, wasn't it? Okay, so moving on now to question number 5. Calculate 4.5 meters, take away 130 centimeters. Now the thing with this is we've got different units, we've got meters and centimeters, so we're going to change the meters into centimeters. 4.5 meters is, well, 4 meters is 400 centimeters, and then half a meter, you should know now, is 50 centimeters. So 450, we've now got 450 centimeters, take away 134. So what we'll do is, first of all, we'll take away 100 centimeters, and that gives us 350 centimeters. Okay, so that's taking away the 1. Now we'll take away 30 centimeters, and that leaves us with 320 centimeters there. So we've done that one. And now we'll take away the 4 centimeters, which leaves us with 316 centimeters. There we go. So the answer for that question is 316 centimeters. So CM just there. And Now we go on to the final question, and which is calculate the perimeter of the hexagon we can see here. Now, by now we should know this. If this vertical side, if that is 12 and that is 6, then this must equal 12 minus 6, or if you want to do it a different way, you've got this plus this equals 12. Either way, that becomes 6. And then for the horizontal line, well, we know that that's horizontal and that's horizontal, so we've got those two lines to help us. So 7 add 9, that answer is 16. So now all we have to simply do is we'll start at this bottom corner where the 6 is, and then go up and along all the way around. Remember, perimeter is the distance all the way around the shape. So we've got P equals 6 first, and then the next is 7, add on to 6, the one we had to work out, plus 9 going along the top, plus 12 going down the right hand side, plus 16, which is along the bottom. Okay, so working that out, calculating that, 6 add 7 is 13, add 6 is 19, 19 add 9 is 28, 28 add 12, okay, let's add the 2 first, that makes 30, then add the 10, that makes 40, and 40 add 16, if we add the 10 first we get to 50, and then add the ones we get, add the 6, we get to 56. Okay, so the answer is 56 centimeters.